Now, at some point, you probably heard that eye contact with women is very important for attraction, for conversations, for escalating, but maybe you don't have a game plan for how you manage eye contact. How long should you hold it? How long does she need to make eye contact before you go? What is appropriate and inappropriate? And if you don't have a plan of action for this, then you're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities. Now, it can be a bit of a cat and mouse game. It's kind of like the game within the game in terms of flirting and escalating. And I want to make this game easier for you to play. So in this video, we're going to address 2 different times that you should be managing your eye contact with women. That's before the approach and during the conversation. This is going to be a quick and simple video, but it's going to give you clear guidelines on how to best manage eye contact with women. Eye contact can be somewhat of a choosing signal, and that's good. You should know when women are trying to send you an invitation. It doesn't mean that you should always wait for choosing signals. Sometimes you just got to go and approach, but it's good if you have this in the back of your head as a reminder for when you should go and how to handle eye contact during conversations. Now, because I respect your time, I'm just going to dive right into the video. All I ask in return is please, if you find value in this video, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. So let's start out with talking about eye contact pre-approach. This is something a lot of guys struggle with. In fact, there are a lot of men out there who leave comments on my videos and they'll say things like, oh, so you're one of those guys that thinks just because a woman looks at him, she wants him. And no, actually, that's not the case. But there is a look a woman can give you that does give you at least a high likelihood that she's signaling interest on purpose. Keep in mind, women are very intentional with their eye contact. I have a lot of very attractive female friends. I've dated many attractive women. They are fully aware that other men are looking for opportunities to talk to them. And that if they give the wrong look to the wrong guy at the wrong time, they're inviting an unwanted conversation. So trust me, if you are getting the look, it's a really good sign. Now, when we talk about eye contact before approaching, one of the tips I want you to start using is positioning yourself in her line of sight on purpose. This works especially well at a bar, in a public place, at the gym. Okay, so if you kind of walk into the room, you see a cute girl over there, I don't want you to stay stationary waiting for her to look at you, because she'll just kind of naturally pick up in the back of her head that you're like staring in her direction, and it might make her want to avoid looking at you. Instead, what you want to do is purposefully place yourself in her line of sight so that she has an opportunity to notice you and to look your direction. And until you do that, I want you to avoid any eye contact with this girl until you're in position. Because here's what can happen. If you start making eye contact with her when you're not ready and you're not ready to approach, you can get kind of stuck in this moment where you make eye contact, you get nervous, you look away before she looks away, and now she doesn't think you're confident. Or you guys make eye contact and you're not ready to approach, and now you end up in that situation where she can tell that you're trying to work up the courage to approach her, and that also makes you seem not confident. Now, the best case scenario is once you position yourself in her line of sight, you wait for the perfect moment to look up at her and you try to catch her looking. And looking could mean she's sustaining eye contact with you, or you get like multiple quick glances. Because sometimes girls, like if they think that they're having a moment to look at you and you're just like out in la la land, and then real quick you turn around and you notice they're looking, they'll kind of freak out and then look away again real quick, but then they might look back again. And that would be a pretty good sign. So what we're looking for here is at least 3 seconds or multiple glances. So if she holds eye contact with you for at least 3 seconds, that's a go. If she gives you multiple short glances repeatedly in a short window of time, or like, for example, if you're at the gym and you notice kind of out of your peripherals that this girl keeps glancing over in your direction, that's a go. And the most important thing when we're talking about eye contact with women before an approach is you never look away first. You hold that eye contact until she looks away. There's just something subconsciously that happens where when you break the eye contact first, she just kind of assumes that you're scared of her, that you're not that confident. And that's the last thing that you want. And another important tip here when we're talking about eye contact with women is you don't want to do that thing where you're grinning. No grinning. So for me, this used to be a really bad habit. Like I'd be walking by a girl, we make eye contact, and I'd be like I do like this goofy grin because I didn't know what else to do. Or I do the grin with the head nod. So like I'd look at the girl and I'd be like, And it's just like the opposite of masculine, confident vibes. It's almost like that was like my nice guy, submissive behavior, trying to signal like, oh, we just made eye contact and I don't want you to think I'm a threat. So avoid that. Keep your face still. You don't need to have like a scowl on your face. Like you don't want to be like trying to look tough, but just standard facial posture. Hold the eye contact, don't look away. And again, if you get at least 3 seconds or if you get multiple glances, that's your signal to go. Now let's pivot to eye contact during conversations with women. How do you want to manage this and how do you advance to escalate the sexual tension? You have to understand that eye contact is one of the first tools you should be using in your escalation tool belt. Like this is the entry level form of escalation for creating that vibe and that sexual tension with women. So during conversation, we're looking for 2-second bursts of eye contact. If the rapport feels low, if it starts low, you don't want to be like inundating her with too much eye contact. That can feel like too much. Whoa, too much pressure, right? Anytime we're starting out with a girl and it's like a cold approach, we don't know her. If she seems a little bit reserved, you have to make her feel comfortable. And it's kind of hard to do that if you're just like staring into her soul right out of the gate. So 2-second bursts of eye contact when rapport is low. Then as the vibes improve, I want you to increase the amount of time that you're sustaining eye contact with her. So she's starting to warm up. Now you're holding that eye contact a little bit longer, but you also don't want to hold it for too long. If you do that, it gets kind of weird. It feels like you don't understand social cues, I guess. So I would say max 8 seconds of sustained eye contact at a time. If you're reaching that 5, 6, 7, 8 second count of eye contact with a woman, it's okay at that point to kind of glance around, look like you're thinking, and then bring it back. Otherwise, it can just feel kind of weird. And finally, the next step is if you are consistently getting sustained eye contact for like 3, 4, 5 seconds at a time, this is your cue that she's likely feeling interested, and now you want to begin to escalate. So consistent eye contact means escalate. You have to keep applying that pressure to build that sexual tension. Oftentimes for me, one of the first steps towards escalating is just stepping in closer. So like I could be talking to a girl, we're kind of vibing, we're making eye contact. And then as I'm like making a joke, I might like just take a quick step in and like get in her bubble. And sometimes when I do that step in, I'll actually come at like a side angle. So like my shoulders are kind of facing away from her, because if I just step into her like this, that can feel kind of intimidating, right? So we're trying to escalate by applying a little bit of pressure at a time. So it starts with the eye contact. As that becomes consistent, then you want to start stepping in and escalating, close the negative space, initiate physical touch, all the stuff that I talk about in my other videos. Now look, maybe you're watching this and this whole idea of flirting and escalation and eye contact, it's just kind of going over your head and you've been struggling with women for a long time. If that's you, I want you to click the link in the description of this video where you can book a free diagnostic call with me. It's a 15-minute coffee chat. It is not a sales call. It's going to be about us figuring out what's been keeping you stuck and getting clear on the steps you need to take to move forward towards dating success. Hey, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is KJ Harlow, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.